Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. Today I'm going to be making a Manor house cake. The ingredients you will need: 100 milliliters of milk, a pinch of mixed spice, 2 ounces of 50 grams of sultanas, 2 ounces of 50 grams of currants, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, 4 ounces or 100 grams of butter, 4 ounces or 100 grams of sugar, 8 ounces or 225 grams of self-raising flour. Preheat your oven to the degrees shown on the screen. Wash your hands and grease your cake tin. The first thing you're going to do is add your flour and the butter into the bowl. You are then going to use your hands to rub the butter and the flour together until it creates breadcrumbs. Now add in all your dry ingredients and mix well. Now pour in your milk a little at a time and mix until you get a cake mixture. Once you have added in all your milk, crack your egg into the bowl and mix together. Now pour all your cake mixture into the cake tin and spread it using the back of a metal spoon so the mixture is even. Now bake in the centre of the oven for 1 hour or until golden brown. If you are unsure if the cake is cooked in the centre, put a knife into the cake for 2 seconds, and then if it comes out clean, the cake is cooked all the way through. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to enjoy some of these recipes with a nice drink. Follow and check out my Instagram, like, subscribe and hit that notification bell.